Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Weather Forecast Center. The SPC has a slight risk of severe weather out for this today here in southwestern Minnesota, eastern South Dakota, and far northwestern Iowa and far northeastern Nebraska, with a marginal risk going from Canadian border all the way down to Lubbock, Texas. Um, this is driven off of a 2% risk of tornadoes here in the slight risk and the northern part of the marginal risk area. What's causing this is a big low pressure system that's located in Montana with a trailing cold front that goes all the way down to New Mexico, and a warm front that extends into Canada, and where the warm front and the cold front interact with each other, that's where the chance of tornadoes reside. And I'm going to say a few tornadoes will are going to happen this afternoon and evening. Wind threat, five percent risk goes all the way down from Lubbock, Texas, to the Canadian border. But right here in the slight risk area, there is a 15% chance of winds exceeding 55 to 60 miles an hour, and I would say max winds will probably max out around 70 miles an hour. That's outside of any tornadic activity that evolves this afternoon and evening. And the hail threat is also 5% from Lubbock, Texas, to the Canadian. Let's try that again. To the Canadian line, and where the slight risk resides is a 15% chance of hail exceeding 1 inch in diameter. I would not be surprised if we see some 2-inch hail with those in the slight risk area. So if you are from North Dakota, Minnesota, all the way down to Texas, be weather aware this evening as these um, storms develop later this afternoon into this evening. Um, Especially up here in North Dakota, Minnesota, and South Dakota, in that section here, where there is a 2% chance of tornadoes, and I do think a few will happen. So that is the latest on the severe weather possibilities for this afternoon. I hope everyone has a great Wednesday evening, and I'll talk to you again soon.